Apostolic Nunciature in India, Protocol number 2150/22/IN. Your Lordship, Right Reverend Varghese Chakaligal. His Holiness Pope Francis has erected the Diocese of Calicut as Metropolitan Archdiocese with the Diocese of Kannur and Sultanbed as suffragans, and has appointed you as the first Metropolitan Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Calicut. This news will be made public in Rome on Saturday, 12th April 2025 at noon, corresponding to 15:30 hours Indian Standard Time. Until then, the